There's a weight no man can bear. There's a trouble in the heart. There's a pressure coming down on us that live beneath the stars. But there's a way out of the wood for just a simple man forgiven. We could break our backs alone. We could labor in the sun. If we built our towers high enough, we could live among the stars. But there's a resting we won't know, for the heart will still be unforgiven. And all along, you were standing by our side. We carry on, running farther. We're all alone, so we tell ourselves at night, but deep down we know that you are home. You are home. You are home. We are the dust in this dirty little world. We are the rust in this machine that's coming down. And in the darkness of the clouds, we're hiding from the sun. If only we could find it in our hearts to be forgiven. And all along, you were standing by our side. We carry on, running farther. We're all alone, so we tell ourselves at night, but deep down we know that you are home. That you are home. Losing sight of the weight of our fall, running blind to die from these hands of our own. I need you to find me wherever you are. I need you to light my way all along. You were standing by our side. We carry on, running farther. We're all alone, so we tell ourselves at night, but deep down we know that you are home. And all alone, you were standing by our side. We carry on, running farther. We're not alone. You are with us in the night, and deep down we know that we are home. That we are home. Found me where I lie, set wrongs of mine to right, and I can sleep at night, 'cause all has been forgiven. My heart has made its home with Christ and Christ alone. Christ alone.